right, here we go. Fresh water, fresh battery. Go in here. See this one is. Is this music on in here? Yeah, there's music. Yeah, there's music in here. But 23,000. It's like a toy hauler, I think. Yeah. All kinds of. This is more of a open floor plan. Ice fishing. Nice little grill there. I like it. Microwave up here, the fridge. Pretty, you know, it's a nice shower, big head. Not bad. 34,000. Let's cruise on down over here. Yeah, they can go both ways. Some of these RVs, if you don't want them to be, but. Table in here.
So that's an easy fix, but that is why they changed it.
$32,000 for this bad boy. You got some more over here. You got all kinds of, what the hell that stuff is. Lounge, oh, it's loungers. We can lay on them, I guess. Water, whatever else. Got some more of those over there. We got maps of lakes and stuff. Lake Minnetonka. I've seen them before. You got Shady Oak Lake in here?
Shady Oak. Where's that one at?
Minnetonka Hopkins. Ottertail Lake, I see that one. Horn dog maps. They're kind of cool. That's where you can get it. Gull Lake, Lake Osaka, Lake Waconia. I've been out there before. St. Croix River. Forest Lake, that's a pretty big lake. Lake Pepin. Just curious how deep some of the lake is. I know.
So I got it. I pulled it up right here. It's not on my list, but it's one I can do.
Okay.
So it looks like it's
What's the deepest part?
about 20 feet or so.
Oh, okay.
It looks like.
Okay.
This part's about 30.
Yeah.
Right there. So that was 30. This one's 25.
How much would it cost to do something like that for me?
So we got small would be 175.
Okay.
Medium 245.
Okay.
Large,
So just call you up and if I want to get it done?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, perfect, thanks.
So
I'm always curious how deep it is. I know it's some real deep areas.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. That'd be pretty interesting to see that. I thought that was kind of cool. So, look at these. Oh, yeah. There it is, man. Oh. Perfect. Look at that. I'm grilling out, man, right there. Nice. I like to grill. So you put this over the fire, right?
This one is for a ice castle stovetop.
Oh, okay. Really? Wow.
You could put it on the fire.
Cool.
Not direct fire.
Yeah, because this is kind of cool. Does it stick or does it get rusty or not?
You treat it like a cast iron, so you season it.
Oh, okay. Nice. You have a card? Perfect. All right. Yeah, because I have an electrical one, so you can put this over here. As long as it gets hot, you can put it on a grill too as well if you want it.
Yep. Exactly.
Does it rust or not?
Not if you keep it seasoned and
No?
maintained.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Those are kind of nice. So that's a up their edge. There it is.
Hi there.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good. Well, got all kinds of stuff here. You can tell. Fishing hotspots. You got more houses here. Kind of hard to tour when the people are in there all the time, but you try to get in when no one's in there. We got all kinds of wild stuff out there. You can tell. Music's close by, so I really can't go up there with music. So, go over here and look at these things.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. Couldn't find on in.
Oh yeah, 57,000. You guys, the big dog right here, Yeti. Oh my, look at that. See, that's where that bed comes down. Turn that thing on. I think he showed me last time. There it is. See? See that? Comes down. And go back up again. Nice, huh? All right, perfect. There you go. Kind of nice. Another ice fishing house. Nice head. Got a nice shower in there. Sitting down here fishing. These are built solid. This probably comes down as a bed too as well. So you can sleep here. So if you want it, you can sleep there too as well. So. Oh. That's kind of cool how that can come down like that. And these are not, you're not pulling these with my CRB. Your RV.
Tell me what I need to do.
Uh-huh. This one's another Yeti. Comes down over here. Look at that. Why do I listen to KBB? Well, this is your other one. The bed up here. Sleep down there if you want. That comes down. It's nice. Got the head right here. No shower. Looks like. Would you shower? Would you shower in the shower at Penn State?
Oh, Penn State.
Anyways, all right. Along for the ride, huh? You?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go over here.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Let's go over here. Oh, look at this bad boy. It's like a man cave. Over here. The glacier one. 18,000. Oops, no problem. The small one, it looks like. This one will come down, so you can sleep up there. Kind of nice. Little couch. It's small. It's kind of like for myself. If I was going to have my, just two people or yourself, it's kind of nice. Got a radio up here. Could probably put a TV somewhere up in here. Mount it, wherever you want to mount it. Probably right up there. Oh, it's a small one right here. Well, kind of. Let's go over here. Excuse me. So they got all kinds of stuff right here. Look at that, huh? Nice. 37,000. Very nice. Very nice. $366 a month. Nice. Blackstone. Go. Grilling out.
Down that one hydraulic.
This was in that one too. Go look at the red. Go look in the red one.
They're kind of nice.
What's that?
They're kind of nice. They're solid. I wouldn't fit in there.
Yeah, no.
The bathroom, no shower. Go ahead. You go ahead. You're good.
Come on out.
I'm coming out. No problem. Oh, boom, hitting the head. So, there we go. Over here. Lots of people over here look at these things. I see a lot of these when I drive on 94, so. Anyways. Let's go over here, this one over here, the Glacier. Not bad, huh? I like this. These are, I like that. You can just fish in here. We take station wagons and we'll put buckets in them and you can fish out of a station wagon. So you drive out in the lake and you can ice fish in a station wagon or a van for that matter. Just drill a hole in the frame. So. Yeah, I agree. I bet you they probably customize it for you if you wanted to. They probably would. Yeah, it's nice. These are a lot better than RVs, trust me.
I haven't had an RV yet.
They're cheap now. You don't want one in the first place. This is about better to be could be an RV or and a ice fish house.
I mean, if I spend the money on one, I'm gonna use it all year.
I totally agree. I tend to agree. All right, guys. This one's in the books.